everybody. Please forgive my appearance. And I just wanted to drop a quick video and say I am so sorry that I did not get Sunday's video out. I pulled my back, apparently, unloading the van after getting home from the craft show on Saturday. And so I've kind of been laid up in bed and not crafting. But I will have one out for you on Thursday. And this here is Charlie. He's kind of been glued to me. Mostly because I left him alone for 10 hours or so on Saturday while I was at the craft show. And also because I'm not feeling well, so he's just trying to make sure I'm okay. I managed to get myself out of the bed and sitting up right now. So I'm on the mend. Just moved the wrong way, taking something out of the van, and that's all it took. So I will see y'all soon. Thanks for the patience. And again, so sorry I didn't get that video out. Just want to stop in and let y'all know what happened. And I will be on schedule. And I'm so sorry. But there wasn't too much I could do about it. If I had thought about it, I'd have videoed the event, the Oktoberfest that I was at, and shared that. But I hadn't really thought about it. So I think I'm going to start doing that when I do craft shows. I'm going to do a little recording and let y'all get a look at how it's done and what's going on, just to share that with you as well. So y'all take care, and I'll have a video up for you on Thursday. See y'all soon. Bye.